Another quick video. Just installed the passenger side outer frame rail where the two bumper bolts go. Did that little section there. It's not perfect. You can see the weld line, but the parts weren't exactly, the inner wasn't exactly, the flange end wasn't bent correctly, so gonna have a little bit of offset there. Not too concerned because it's all gonna be hidden, you know, once everything pieces together, once put the quarters on. So no major worries there. But yeah, so just got that up and give a messy little view. So this is going to be my stopping point probably for a couple months at least. But yeah, there she is. And hopefully with some luck I'll get back to it in a couple months. But there she is. Peace.